Good evening, Richmond County, and welcome to your Wednesday edition of Live at 5. I'm Sarah Meeks. 30 Richmond County residents have been tested for COVID-19, according to Health and Human Services Director Dr. Tommy JARRELL. Of those tested, JARRELL said only 19 results have come back, all negative. There are no presumptive or confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Richmond County, JARRELL said. If there is a case, he added, the county government will notify the public. As of 10:44 a.m. Wednesday, there were 63 cases of coronavirus in 18 counties across the state, according to the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services, with 1,850 tests having been completed. Wake County has the most cases with 17, Durham County has jumped to a dozen, and Mecklenburg has 11. Those are the only counties with more than 10 cases. Harnett now has 4 cases, Chatham has 3, and Forsyth and Johnston counties have 2 each. Those with local questions regarding COVID-19 can call the Richmond County hotline from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday at 910-417-4947. Some things are going to have to change for a while, Governor Roy Cooper said during a press conference on Tuesday regarding the state's actions in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Prior to the conference, the governor's office announced that his latest executive order will close all bars across North Carolina and relegate restaurants to takeout and delivery service only, effective at 5 p.m. Cooper said the measures come after some failed to follow guidance to keep people separated. No time frame on the closure was given. Some restaurants in Richmond County announced they would be doing just that as early as Monday, and one local bar voluntarily closed. Other businesses are also taking measures to adhere to social distancing guidelines. Dr. Pharmacy in downtown Rockingham spent the first half of Tuesday making deliveries to customers and served others at the door during the afternoon. Cooper added that grocery stores and pharmacies across the state will remain open. The governor said these trying times would be a hardship for not only the restaurant owners, but also for the employees and customers. To help those who will be out of work, Cooper's executive order takes down barriers to applying for and collecting unemployment benefits. The governor expects additional help from the federal government. One Monday, he sent a letter to the U.S. Small Business Administration requesting a disaster declaration for business owners facing losses due to the coronavirus. Cooper opened the press conference announcing that the state has 40 confirmed cases of COVID-19. On Monday, Richmond County government declared a state of emergency. The following day, the county administration issued more protections to prevent the spread of COVID-19. All non-county employees will be prohibited from entering the administrative building. All tax and water payments will need to be processed at the drive-thru. Additionally, payments can be made over the phone. The cities of Rockingham and Hamlet still have taken similar measures. More events are being canceled or postponed as state and federal officials recommend differing limits for mass gatherings. Richmond County Hospice announced Monday that it would postpone its children's grief counseling camp. Hospice is also postponing the Cool Cars for Cause fundraiser, but doesn't have an additional date for that yet either. Rockingham Dragway also canceled its race slated for this weekend. A motorcycle ride to raise money for headstones for local veterans was also postponed. Across the river in Wadesboro, the Anson Theater announced the postponement of its production of Little Shop of Horrors, which began Friday and was set to conclude this weekend. The PGA of America took announcement that the 2020 PGA Championship has been postponed. One of golf's major events was scheduled for TPC Harding Park in San Francisco from May 11th through the 17th. The Kentucky Derby will also be postponed due to COVID-19. It's the first time since 1945 during the World War II that the annual event has been postponed. The new date is scheduled for September 7th. NASCAR has postponed all races until May 3rd, with racing returning to Martinsville Speedway. NASCAR still intends to run all of the postponed races. When we return, we've got your Live at 5 weather report. It's coming up right after the break, so stay tuned.
JC's in Rockingham has you covered for used appliances, parts, trailers, and storage. We have one of the largest selections of reconditioned washers, dryers, and refrigerators in the Sand Hills, and we offer free delivery to residents inside Richmond County. Come check out our variety of trailers for any hauling job and our storage buildings for the things you need out of the weather or house. We also carry parts and accessories for appliances, trailers, truck beds, and can order the things you need. That's JC's on South Hancock Street in Rockingham.
Hometown heroes? Well, maybe. When it comes to backyard comfort and no pesky mosquitoes, call Brown Termite and Pest Control at 910-895-6410 or 910-276-8870. Their team of superheroes can take back control of your paradise. That's 910-895-6410 today.
McNair Auto Sales is the place to buy your pre-owned car, truck, or van. To be the best, it takes big selection, friendly staff, and great pricing. We guarantee a no-hassle buying experience, and financing is available right on site. So come see us today. We're located at 1026 East Broad Avenue in Rockingham. And remember, with over 40 years of experience, you know McNair is the name you can trust.
At Richmond County Hospice, we strive to provide high-quality care to our patients and their families. Whether it's the incredible hospitality at the Haven House or from the comfort of your own home, you can count on hospice to be there for you. We also offer monthly grief support groups, and our chaplain will be there to hold your hand in prayer. Through our amazing staff and our volunteers, hospice has made difficult times easier for our community. Call the number on your screen if you feel that you or your loved one may benefit from our services. Richmond County Hospice. Peace, comfort, dignity.
Do you want a healthcare career? Certified medical assistants are multi-skilled healthcare professionals capable of completing administrative and clerical tasks, making them a valuable member of the healthcare team at medical clinics, doctors' offices, and other healthcare facilities. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of medical assistants is projected to grow 23% over the next 8 years, much faster than the national average. At Richmond Community College, our medical assisting students are trained in our cutting-edge Simulation Learning Center, giving them hands-on experience with high-fidelity mannequins that simulate real-life patient interaction. In addition to clinical skills, our students also receive instruction in scheduling appointments, coding, processing insurance accounts, billing, collections, and medical transcription. Complete the medical assisting program in just 2 years and start your lifelong career today. Visit www.richmondcc.edu to learn more about enrolling in the medical assisting program at Richmond Community College or call 910-410-1700.
Your Live at 5 weather report is brought to you by RO Yellow, Richmond County's new online business directory. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Hope you're having a fantastic day. It's been pretty warm outside, really nice. Of course, that also comes with a lot of pollen on the ground. Just when I walked outside today to get in my car, I had a dusting of it on my windshield, and I'm sure a lot of you have also had that same issue. So definitely be mindful of the pollen out there. As you can hear, once again, my voice, it's still recovering from the pollen out there, still affecting my voice, but hopefully that'll be gone very soon. Let's talk about tonight, though. However, tonight's looking pretty nice as well. 7 o'clock is going to be 67 degrees, only dropping down to just 63 at 9 o'clock. A little bit of sunshine still, just enough to see a sunset at 7:29 p.m. Looking at tomorrow, though, we are seeing sunshine and clouds continuing on into the Sand Hills region, and very warm temperatures are ahead, getting up into the low to mid 80s for some parts of the Sand Hills. Fayetteville will be a high of 84 with a low of 67. Lumberton will be seeing a high of 83, low of 66. Rayford will be seeing a high of 83, low of 66. Up in Southern Pines will be a high of 82 and a low of 65. Moving to the western side of the Sand Hills, Ellerby will be seeing a high of 82, low of 64. Rockingham and Hamlet will be seeing a high of 83, low of 65. Bennettsville will be seeing a high of 84, low of 66. And across the PD and Wadesboro, it'll be a high of 82 and a low of 65. And once again, looking really nice tomorrow, really warm weather, but that will not be around for very long. As you can see on the 7-day forecast, we are expecting a long chain of showers coming up beginning this weekend. Thursday will be a high of 81, low of 65 with partly cloudy skies. Friday, mostly cloudy skies with a high of 83 and a low of 65. Then on Saturday, the rain begins with a 40% chance of precipitation, high of 78, low of 50. Then on Sunday, rain continuing on with just a 30% chance in the afternoon, but a 50% chance in the evening. It'll be a high of 59 and a low of 46. Monday, continuing on with that precipitation of a 50% chance in the afternoon, 40% chance in the evening, high of 60, low of 47. Then on Tuesday, once again, more rain, high of 70, low of 51. Wednesday, also more rain with just a 30% chance, high of 68, low of 53. So enjoy the warm weather while you can, especially with the sunshine coming out, because rain is definitely coming along beginning Saturday and at least all the way up until Wednesday. That threat of rain will continue on. But Thursday, Friday looking really nice. Go outside, have some activities. Even though we are social distancing right now, you can still go out and take a walk in the warm weather. So definitely enjoy it while you can. And that's going to do it for your Live at 5 weather report and for tonight's edition of Live at 5. Of course, for the latest news, sports, and events happening here in Richmond County, you can always visit richmondobserver.com or download the free RO app for your mobile devices. For the Live at 5 crew, I'm Russell Parker. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good night, Richmond County.